Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking profitable with low competition niches, then this video is only for you. Today what I am gonna talk about is the niche which is doing very well in the market, and you can definitely try your hands. So today guys, I'll discuss only one activity book niche for you. So if you are looking in my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. So let's go Amazon Marketplace, and today's our hot niche with low competition niche is how to draw cute stuff. How to draw cute stuff. Here the results only shows 1000, and obviously this is a small niche, and here we also see 7073 review, and here BSR is also good, is very good, 758. So obviously we can say this is a very profitable niche, and we can also check copyright and trademark. No trademark. Then check books and search. Wow, notice records. So obviously this is a copyright and trademark free product, and you are safely publish how to draw cute stuff book on Amazon KDP Marketplace and earn a lot of money. So we can also check this income. $758. The BSR rank is 758. Wow, per day sales 178 and per month sales 2668. So overall see, this is a obviously very profitable and low competition niche. So you can try to publish these books on Amazon KDP and earn a lot of money. 2668. So guys, if you find a good profitable niche from my today's video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, and share my video with your friends and family, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.